PowerPoint? Michelle, read me the first question, nice and loud. No, that's not a PowerPoint question. It's a word question. Fanta, it's a word question for a reason. Fanta, I need to make a fax cover sheet. I'm not wasting my time doing it. Where would I go in Word to make that fax cover sheet? Andrea, where would I go in Word to make that fax cover sheet? Templates. How do you get to templates in Word? File, New. Where is the first place you check for a template? Click on my computer. Look at On My Computer. Click on Letters and Faxes. Are there templates? Remember, Fanta, templates are model documents. Templates are model documents that you fill in. Templates, there's a couple of them. We have a personal fax, a professional fax. Everyone double click on personal fax. Look how beautiful. It even comes with a cute little clip art picture, Alex, right? See where it says subject? Click here and type. Type this subject. Do not ask your neighbor for help. They need to pay attention to me. You want to do access reports? You say after school. Do you see where it says to? Click here. Type to Nick. See where it says from? From Mrs. Hickey. This is a fax cover sheet. This fax cover sheet and any template you use, they look like you spent a lot of time on them. The problem with these, Jesse, is you have to check the back or the bottom and the top. You want to make sure it doesn't have anything you need to get rid of. Like it might say click here and type home phone and address. You would get rid of it if you weren't typing it. You'd print it, you use it, and you get rid of it. Everybody hit the little baby X. Save changes, no. Now I'm going to ask Yancey's. Yancey's, I would like you to create a calendar for me. See my calendar up there? Someone ruined the February calendar. I only have January. Everyone go back to File, New, and click on My Computer. Click on Other Documents. Are you on Other Documents? This is not a template. What do you see for a calendar? Calendar Wizard. Ashley, a calendar wizard is step-by-step, just like Chart Wizard. That's even less work. Everybody double click on Calendar Wizard. Hello, Mr. Wizard. Nice to meet you. Hit next. Do you want your calendar to have boxes and borders, a banner, or jazzy? Let's go with jazzy. Hit next. Look at the calendar up here where it says January. Is that in portrait or landscape? So let's leave it in landscape. Do you want to leave room for a picture? Oh, yeah. Yes. Hit next. I don't want a January calendar. Get your pull down. It's February to February. Hit next. Thank you, Mr. Wizard. Hit finish. Is your calendar done? Does it look like you spent a lot of time on it? A wizard, Devin, is step by step. The only thing I don't like about it, Devin, is the ugly picture. Everyone click on the other ugly picture and hit delete. Go to Insert, Picture, Clip Art. Type Winter. Make sure you are only searching for clip art pictures, not photographs, movies, or sound. Put in a cute little picture and close out of the clip art gallery. Devin, remember I said you only size a picture from a corner? Well, not in this case, because you got this big empty space down here. Look, Devin, I'm going to click on the picture of the snowman, and from this instance, I am not going to size it from a corner because I want it to fill up that space. To minimize distortion, I'm going to hold down Shift, and then I'm going to grab it right underneath the snowman and size it down. I said to minimize distortion, Alex. I didn't say it wasn't going to be perfect, right? Look at your calendar. It took you literally 3 seconds to make. And Yancey's, I'd be like, oh my God, you spent so much time on the calendar for me. You are my star pupil. Correct? A wizard is automatic. Everybody hit the little baby X. Save changes? No. Now let's read number 2. In Excel, I have to do an expense statement. Jesse, I haven't done an expense statement since I was in college taking accounting 101. How would I make one? Everyone log into Excel. I don't know how to do an expense statement. Not a clue. Everyone go to File, New. Why not look for a template? Click on my computer. Click on Spreadsheet Solutions. Is there something to help me do an expense statement? Double click on it. Devin, if you handed this in accounting class, you still have to fill in the information, but now you know what information to fill in. And I think Devin's a star pupil. Look how much time he spent on it. Hit the little baby X. Ashley, when I went to RCC, really WCC, I had to do that dumb calorie spreadsheet. Remember it? Everyone go to File, New. I'm telling you right now, Ashley, it's not on the computer. Where did I go to get it? Click on Templates on Office Online. There is nothing I would do that's original. Click where it says Search Templates. Type calorie. 2 spreadsheets come up. Why can I not use the second one? It is the better of the 2. I like it. The meal planner is pretty awesome. Why can't I download it? It's 2013. You're working on 2003. It's 10 years older, right? You would have to download this one. But still, is it less work for you, Alex? Don't do anything from scratch. Find a template. Fonta, do you think there's templates in Access? Oh, yeah, there is. I just didn't want you to use them. Close out of Internet Explorer. Let's go back to question 4. What type of program is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a multimedia software presentation program. Anybody have any clue what the word multimedia means? Liam. Yes, sound, graphics, and video. PowerPoint can put in sound, it can put in graphics, which are pictures, and video. It can also put in text. That's what multimedia means. Question 5. What view are you in right now? I changed the view in Word. What view did I put it in? Someone tell me what view you're in. Print layout. Everybody change it to normal view. When you log into Word, you're in normal view. I'm the one who changes it. I don't like normal view. Are your view buttons in the bottom left-hand corner? I used to freak out, Naz, when people would use the view pull-down menu. I wanted you to use the view buttons in the bottom left-hand corner. Everyone change it back to print layout view. What view would you use if you downloaded a textbook? Click on reading layout. Are you in reading layout view? Close out of reading layout view. You're back to print layout view. There are different views in Word. By the way, you will always log into normal view in Word. I change it. I don't like it. You know I'm a print layout gal, right? Save your do now and close out of Word. If you learned it in Word, then you know it in PowerPoint. Log into PowerPoint right now. In PowerPoint, you are in normal view. Guess what view you log in? You log into normal view in Word, you log into normal view in PowerPoint. I am going to give Nick an assignment to do. He's taking sports and entertainment marketing next semester. He's taking it and he has to do a marketing plan. He doesn't know how to do a marketing plan. I bet you the computer will do a marketing plan for him. Everyone go to File, New. Click on My Computer. Click on Presentations. Is there a template in there that would help Nick with the marketing plan? Everybody click on Marketing Plan. It's not cheating. That is going to tell you what to put in a marketing plan. Hit your function key F5. Go to Slideshow View. It's telling Nick that he has to write the product name in his name. Left click. It's telling him that he has to do a market summary. Left click. It's telling him he has to do a product definition. Left click. It's telling him he has to write competition. To get out of slideshow view, hit the escape key on your keyboard. Are you out of slideshow view? Devin, when you do a template in PowerPoint, it doesn't mean that you have to use everything. All it means is it's going to give you suggestions on what to put on the slides. Everybody hit the little baby X. Save changes? No. Look up here. Who's taking health next semester? You have to do a PowerPoint in health. Every year, people come for me for the PowerPoints in health. You think I would create a health PowerPoint like this? It's way too much work. It's for health, right? Everyone go to File, New. The first place I would see to do the least amount of work, Jesse, I want to know if there's a wizard in here. Everyone click on Templates on my computer. Click on General. Is there a wizard in here? What's it called? Auto Content Wizard. Click it. Hello, Mr. Wizard. Hit Next. Choose All. Do you see all of them? You know what? I want to do a certificate. Click on Certificate. Remember we did a certificate in Word? I would never do certificates in Word. They come out ugly. Certificates in PowerPoint, it's a graphics program. Come out much better. Hit Next. What's the certificate for? Well, first I need to figure out what is the output. Jesse, do you see where it says on-screen presentation? Look, this is an on-screen presentation. Do you see where it says web presentation? If Nick was in college and he needed to put that marketing plan on the internet, he would put web presentation. See where it says black and white overheads? You know in math class they still have those projector machines with the overhead paper and you write on it? You could do overheads from your PowerPoint slides. You can do black and white, or look at the laser, the color laser. You can do color overheads. 35mm slides. In your chemistry class, you probably still have those old slide projectors with little 35mm slides in them. Please don't think that's old technology. People still use them. If I hire you, I'm not going to give you a $2,000 laptop. I'm going to give you a $50 slide projector. If you have to do slides and you're using a $50 slide projector, you would convert your PowerPoint slides to 35mm slides. Make sense? We're going to use on-screen presentation. Hit Next. The title, Honor Roll. The footer, which is going to appear at the bottom of the slide, North Rockland High School. I don't want the date last updated in the footer, nor do I want the slide number in the footer. Is it gone? Don't even think about it. Hit Next. Now hit Finish. Click on Slide 2. That is a much nicer certificate than the one that we used for the mail merge in Word. Do you see it? PowerPoint is a multimedia software application. Sound, graphics, and video. If you need to do a poster, you're doing it in PowerPoint. Everybody hit the little baby X. Save changes? No. Ready? Let's do that health presentation. It does bother me that you all start the health presentation with a blank presentation. That's a lot of work. Everyone go to File, New. You want to make your health presentation look different than everybody else's? Click on Design Templates on Office Online. Type Health. You want to make yours look different. By the way, most people don't know how to download these. The really nice ones you can't use because they're higher versions. But here's one you can use. Look at it. That looks a lot nicer. And what really, Alex, is going to blow the teacher away is it's going to look different than anybody else's. Right? Close out of Internet Explorer. Back to PowerPoint. Most people who use PowerPoint do not know how to use Auto Content Wizard or a template. I wouldn't use it any other way. They click on the blank sheet of paper. Everyone click on the blank sheet of paper. When you click on the blank sheet of paper, you are in normal view. I hate that you guys type in normal view. This view is not the type. Close out of your slide layout right over there. This view is not the type. So usually I see people do this. You don't type in this view. This view takes way too long to type in. You are in normal view, Tom, and I know it's called normal view because in the bottom left-hand corner it says normal view. In normal view, you are right now in what's considered slide view. If you want to bang out a presentation so it doesn't take a long time to type, look up here. You are going to click on outline view. Do you see where it says outline? Click on it. Now click next to slide 1. Ready? Let's bang out your presentation. Slide 1, type multimedia. I'm in outline view, people. Right up here, you were in slide view. You're now in outline view. After you type multimedia, hit enter. Are you on slide 1 or are you on slide 2? 2. Hit tab. Now you're on slide 1. Type sounds, video, graphics. Hit enter. You're still on slide 1, but I want to be on slide 2. Hold down Shift tab. Exactly what you did in Word. Shift tab. Are you back to slide 2? Type sounds. I'm not worried about spelling because I'm going to spell check just like I did in Word. Hit enter. Oh my God, I'm on slide 3 and I want to type on slide 2. Hit tab. I'm going to give you 2 sound file formats. Type WAV, W-A-V. That is a sound file format. Hit enter. iTunes plays what? MP3. Hit enter. Well, now I'm still on slide 2, but I want to be on slide 3. Hold down Shift tab. Now I'm on slide 3. Type video. Hit enter. I'm on slide 4, but I want to type underneath slide 3. Hit tab. Type MPEG. M-P-E-G. That's one video format. Hit enter. Type WMV. That's another video format that PowerPoint plays. Hit enter. I'm on slide 3, but I want to be on slide 4. Hold down Shift tab. Type graphics. Hit enter. Don't worry about spelling. You're going to spell check. Hit tab. Type JPEG. Hit enter. Type GIF. Hit enter. I'm on slide 4 and I want to go to slide 5. What should I hold down? Shift tab. Type the end. Outline view is used to type text. You already have 5 slides completed. If you type text in outline view, you will bang out your presentation in no time. Turn around and look up on the smartboard. This is outline view. This is slide view. Get back to slide view. Slide view is also known as normal view. Normal view gives you little thumbnails of the slides. Do you see them? Everyone click on thumbnail 1. I have literally watched people in health class give their presentation in this view. This view is not used to give a presentation. This view is used to put pictures on slides, put sound on slides, put video on slides. It's not used to give your presentation. Everyone hit your F5 function key. This is slideshow view. Slideshow view is used to give a presentation. Left click, left click, left click, left click, left click, left click. You move through your presentation. F5 is a shortcut key to slideshow view. Everyone click on slide 3. Devin, if I pop a video on slide 3, I'm going to pop a video of Alex with her hands on her head. I'm going to pop that video in. It's not going to play in normal view. It isn't going to happen. I wouldn't start it from slide 1 to go to slideshow view. Why would I hit F5 and start the presentation from slide 1? The only thing I really want to check out is the video that I dropped in. Look at your bottom left-hand corner. If you're on slide 3, in your bottom left-hand corner, if you hit the last button that says slideshow, click on it. It will start from the slide that you're on. Does it start it from slide 3? That way you can look at the video, see if you like it. If you didn't like it, hit escape. Are you back? There's a difference. If you hit F5, everyone hit F5, it will start your presentation from slide 1. Hit escape. If you hit slideshow at the bottom left-hand corner, hit it. It will start your presentation from the slide that you were on. Hit escape. So we have normal view. We have slideshow view. Everyone click on slide 1. What is after normal view, Menfrey, in the bottom left-hand corner? What's the second view? Everyone click on slide sorter view. Slide sorter view is used to reorder slides. That ain't it. It's used to apply transition. It's used to rehearse timings. It's used to hide slides. It's used to add sound to transitions. Let's just do with reorder slides, okay? Click on slide 5. See where it says the end, Jesse? I really want the end to be slide 2. Watch me move it. I click on it. I get a blue border so I know it's an active slide. I click and drag. Do you see that imaginary line? That's where it's going to drop. Drop it so it's slide 2. Did you just move it? Slide sorter view is used to reorder slides. Drag slide 2 so it's the last slide now. So it's the last slide. Double click on slide 1. Clickety click. If you double click on a slide in slide sorter view, it is a shortcut to get to normal view. Are you in normal view? Looking good. So let's see what we have. Outline view is to bang out a presentation and type text. Normal view, otherwise known as slide view, is to add graphics, video, and sound. Slide sorter view is used to reorder slides. Slideshow view is to actually run the presentation. Now look at these note cards that I'm holding up in my hand. I can't stand to watch you type these out and give your presentations. It irritates me. Are you on slide 1 in normal view? Do you see these note cards? You don't write them out. The computer types them out. Everyone go to your view pull-down menu. What view do you think I'm in to get the computer to type out note cards? Everyone click on notes pages. If you're on slide 1 and you click on notes pages, click underneath the slide. Whatever you type down there would print on index card 1. Yeah? Go back to normal view. If you're on slide 2 and you go to view, notes pages, whatever you click down there would be on your index card 2. Go back to normal view. I don't know why it's so hard to understand that you just open up this tray. I mean, you use bigger index cards than this, put them in, and you print only notes pages and your cards are done. Notes page view is for the index cards that you are writing out. Don't do it. Click back on slide 1. We got a lot of different views. I said normal view, Tom, was to add video, sounds, and graphics, right? It's also used to add graphs, charts. Slide 1 has 2 placeholders on the screen. First placeholder, second placeholder. If you want to change the type and number of placeholders, you would change the slide layout. Maybe I want a placeholder for a video. Maybe I want a placeholder for a CD clip. Right-click on the bottom of the slide. If you right-click on the bottom of the slide, do you see slide layout? Click on slide layout. Slide layout determines the type and number of placeholders that are on the slide. Right now I'm on text layouts. If I scroll down, I see content layouts. If I scroll down more, I see text and content layouts. If I scroll down even more, I see other layouts. The first layout underneath other layouts is title, text, and clip art. Click on it. Oh, now I have 3 placeholders. 2 for text and 1 for clip art. Hello, Harry, the clip art guy. Oh, you know what? Let's choose title, text, and chart. Now I have 3 placeholders, 2 for text and 1 for a chart. Let's choose title, text, and media clip. Now I have 3 placeholders, 2 for text and 1 for media. Close out of slide layout. If you right-click and you change the slide layout, you are changing the type and number of placeholders on the screen. Double-click to add media clip. Type multimedia. The 2 things that come up are not, I repeat, they are not graphics. They are sound. Let's click on the second one that says computer. Hit OK. And it says, how do you want the sound to play? Automatically or when clicked? Let's do automatically. Hit F5. Does your sound play? Well, remember your speakers actually have to be on. Hit Escape to close out. If you double click on it, your sound will play. A media clip is not just video. You like it? I don't like it. Go back to slide 1. Click on the cute little speaker. Hit delete. No worries. Can I put in another media clip? Double click to add media clip. This time, type graphic. These are different than clip art. Media clips are clip art that move. Click on the printer and hit OK. Hold down Shift, grab it from a corner and size it. This view is not used to run a presentation. You can't see a video or a media clip move in normal view. Everyone hit F5. Does it move in slideshow view? Video and media are only going to work in slideshow view. Hit Escape. Click on slide 2. I want to put a media clip on slide 2. Look up here if you're in the back. If you decide to put your graphics over to the right, all graphics should be to the right in a presentation. Just because you have different slide layouts, don't change it. Be consistent in your presentation. On slide 2, right click, go to slide layout, scroll down to other layouts. Give me title, text, and media clip. Close out of slide layout. Double click to add media clip. Type sound. Put in the picture. Hit OK. Hold down Shift. Size it. Make it bigger. We're just making our presentation nice. Click on the thumbnail for slide 3. Slide 3, I want to change the number and type of placeholders. Right click and go to slide layout. Scroll down to other layouts. Give me title, text, and media clip. Close out of slide layout. Double click to add media clip. Type sound. Oh, my mistake. What am I supposed to type? Video. Put in a picture for video. Hold down Shift. Grab it from the corner and size it. Click on slide 4. I want to change the type and number of placeholders. Right click and go to slide layout. Scroll down to other layouts. Give me title, text, and media clip. Close out of slide layout. Double click and type graphic. Choose a different graphic. Hit OK. Grab it from the corner. Hold down Shift to minimize distortion. Make it bigger. Now let's see if our presentation is a little more exciting. If I want the presentation to start from slide 1, I hit F5. Left click. Left click. Left click. Left click. Left click. You're still not done. It still looks boring. Click back on slide 1. Look up here. Your video is good. You got little media clips that move, but the background of your slides are a boring white. Hold down Control A to select all of your thumbnails. Control A selects everything in Word. Control A selects everything in Excel. Control A selects everything in PowerPoint. Right click on a thumbnail. You want to make this a little more fabulous? Let's put on a slide design. Click on slide design. Scroll down and find something that's gorgeous. Maybe you like curtain call like me. I'm a curtain call type of person. Look a little nicer? Your slide design doesn't just change background color. It changes font color, bullet color, graph color. Hit F5. Does it look better with the slide design on there? Hit Escape. Close out of slide design. Click on slide 1. I made a big mistake. Are you on the thumbnail for slide 1? Eva, I was supposed to do a new slide. Click on the slide for slide 1. I want a new slide above slide 1. That new slide's supposed to say PowerPoint. Right click on slide 1. How do I add a new slide? Click on New Slide. I have a problem. When you add a new slide, it always adds the slide underneath the slide that you were on. No worries. Click on Slide Sorter View. In Slide Sorter View, I need to move slide 2 so it is really slide 1. In slide sorter view, click on slide 2. Left click and drag it. Make sure that imaginary line drops before slide 1 and let it go. Did you move it? Double click on slide 1. Name slide 1 PowerPoint. In normal view, because you should be in normal view, click on the thumbnail for slide 6. Are you on it? I don't want slide 6. Right click on slide 6 and hit what to get rid of it? Delete slide. So you can right click to add a new slide, you can right click to delete a slide, and you can right click to change the slide design. Easy enough? You could right click or you could change it numerous other ways. Notice I right click because when you get your new laptop and you use PowerPoint 2010, it's not going to look anything like this. When you right click, Tom, you will find the same shortcut menus. Everybody double click on slide 1. Make sure you move to slide 1. PowerPoint is easy. Hold down Control A. Are all the slides selected? Devin, I don't like your design. Everybody right click and go to slide design. Devin, if I don't like it and I want it to go back to being blank slides, scroll all the way up in slide design. Which one would make it go back to being white slides? Everyone click on default design. Does it go back? Close out of slide design. PowerPoint is a very user-friendly program. Hit the mother red X to close out of PowerPoint. Save changes? No.